Huh?
The battery terminal was like loose.
Was it really? Probably. So I got one of these things. Supercharger.
Supercharger.
Goes in right there. We're gonna try and put this supercharger in. I don't have bigger injectors, but we're gonna put it in right now and see if we can get it working, and then get bigger injectors after. You know. All right, so we got some stuff taken apart. Not really. We don't really know what we're doing either. Justin's making a mess.
Oh, yeah. This thing doesn't come unplugged.
I think that's how you de-pin it.
No.
Because I tried to undo that and like the pin started coming out.
I tried to take this off on mine too. It was a bitch.
You just need a flat.
No.
Can we just...
No.
Can that fall?
No.
What?
I tried this on mine too. I tried everything. I don't understand it.
Is it 13?
I tried to take mine off to wrap it in tape. Couldn't get it off. I got it.
Hey, figured it out.
You had to unhook the hose from the expansion tank, I think.
What the? It's like now I don't even want to put it back together without like any water pump because it's already out.
You might as well. What's the least? We could put the supercharger on there. You can change the water pump out. Well, I don't know, dude. Right here we got oil filter housing you could do right now.
Is it even leaking though?
What's that flashlight?
It ain't even leaking.
No, bone dry. You new Vanos line?
Water pump is fucking
He's
junk.
got a brand new Vanos line.
Is it really?
Yeah, like down here it looks brand new. So I'm gonna replace it.
What's been just done? Oil filter housing, yes.
Probably was done.
All right, so we had to pull the intake because I somehow capped the fuel pressure regulator and vacuum line, but the car ran great. But we had to take it back off, reroute the vacuum lines, and now I think we got it figured out. We'll see. I need to get bigger injectors, tune, and some other things.
Look at the cap, so funny.
We're just so we deleted like the PCV and everything, and we cut this off. Used a wheel lock key, biggest bolt I had, and
Looks good to me.
get a T on this so I can run a boost gauge and the bypass valve for the supercharger. What do you think, Justin?
It's looking good.
What do you think about the alternator?
That's not looking good. It's gonna work though. We didn't cut that up. We would have done a cleaner job.
Yeah. You can tell the supercharger still hits because it's like whatever. Oh, we gotta rip this thing up too. Someday.
Yeah, that goes all the way to the gas tank. You have to take that off at the gas tank.
It's another day.
Oh, what, this hose you're gonna get off?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got it from the gas tank.
Probably. I ripped that off. Oh my god.
I feel like I should stop pulling it.
Yeah, because I think my underglue zip tied to it.
Oh, I might have ripped the underglue off.
No, it's zip tied on the kit.
Where are the dikes?
This thing? Don't eat it. That thing? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Should we shape it back? Yeah, we need that.
Okay, well, yeah, we definitely need that. That's important.
I took some other stuff under here that I deleted, but
Everything else here you need.
yeah, looking good.
What's up, gangsta?
So, well, the manifold's back on. We deleted the oil separator, rerouted the vacuum lines, deleted everything we don't need, and then what happened?
We put the supercharger on like 4 times now.
Yeah. Did you gotta get this spacer in between the alternator and the supercharger mounting bracket, and it sucks.
Then there was another spacer for the idler pulley. We put that on wrong, so it cracked the oil filter housing. So we JB welded it, and hopefully it holds.
Yeah.
If not, it's coming back apart.
So it just cracked. This thread's right here a little bit. So we JB welded it because I couldn't find anyone with the M52 oil filter housing. I could find an M50, but I didn't want to swap the power steering pump. And there's 3 other mounting bolts, so I think it'll be fine. We'll see how it goes though. Well,
I'm gonna slap the housing back on, put the supercharger back on for the 5th time, and hopefully it's the last.
yeah. Still need to get bigger injectors too, but that's next. Get it running, you know. First time.
Probably my 100th time doing this, but yeah. Why are you not threading in? What's the issue?
No regrets.
Alright, let's snug these with an actual ratchet now.
Well, filled the housing back in. New gasket. Jay just snugging them up. Doing all the work.
Just got the Vanos line, now we can put the supercharger back on.
Nice. That's what we like. What? Oh, that was for the secondary air pump. But it doesn't connect on the other side. You know, it's meant. I'm glad we took it out and cleaned it too. Oh, so fucking close. What if we take it back out?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
It doesn't give you the angle. Let's do that.
Pull over on this again.
These piping's really tight.
Tight pipes.
Tight pipes. Big boost.
Pull over.
I'm like weak.
Put the hose in. Oh, it's popping out.
Just like that.
This thing needs longer couplers. Here, this. I don't know how much. If it's on there enough.
Yeah, just pop it up.
Okay. Let's clamp this one. Put on there.
We need to get it over this, you know.
I know, I already did once.
I know, but you had it facing the opposite way as the other hose got. It's all fucking weird, dude.
I know, it did look ugly.
We'll just put
That's the type of shit I do and then notice it looks better and I'm like, oh, I should fix that. Nothing else real, man.
It's a eBay kit.
Oh, I'll be sleeping. His eyes closed?
No.
Oh no, they're open. Oh. Yeah, you can see ya.
Are we even on the metal? I don't think we are. I'm gonna pull it right off. Get it right on the edge.
No. Sucking it off.
Is it sucking it off? It's dead.
Oh, awesome.
Just leave that how it is. Cut it in the middle.
I just want some more slack. Now you're just gonna. Oh. Oh. No.
She doesn't give a fuck.
Junk.
Math delete.
I could delete that too.
Just leave it.
What are you doing, Z?
Tuck it away.
Hacking some shit. It's all in, huh?
You ready?
It's all in. About to start it up. See how it goes. This one, it's only like a little scary. The pulley's like a 1/4 inch off. And the fan's pretty close to the. But it doesn't hit right now. Might hit when like we rev it up. We'll see.
Moment of truth.
Had to extend the math. That's in there. All these are in there. Guess we'll see. You can see it there. didn't tighten it. In the last clip, we got the car running with the supercharger. The only thing we need now is to order bigger injectors, a tune, and AFR gauge, and a boost gauge. And then I should be all set to start driving the car, feel it around. I had to extend the MAF wiring. They say to put a resistor in one of these wires. I gotta do some more research and figure out if that's necessary, if I need it with the tune that I'm getting. I just need to clean this up. Everything was like a super tight fit. Like these pipes were challenged to get in. And it comes with this like offset like upper radiator hose that's like pretty close to the fan blade, which I want to keep the clutch fan, keep the car like nice and cool like all the time, because electric fans aren't the best. I had one in my coupe, but it just wasn't the best. It's like close to this pulley, but I think it's gonna be all right. Pretty excited. The car sounds like pretty crazy with the supercharger. Excited to feel how much more power this makes. You know, more power, baby. You know. But that's the end of this video. Next one, hopefully get the tune, injectors, and all the gauges I need, and then first drive.